Okay, so in this video, I'm going to go over how to sell a digital product using Beacons AI. And so once you have created your free account, and if you haven't done so already, there is a link underneath this video where you can sign up and create a free account with Beacons. But once you have done that, you're going to be on this page right here. And so in this video, I'm not going to go through the entire process of designing your Beacons profile, with the colors, the images, things like that. I'm just going to focus on the product selection. And maybe I'll tackle this in a whole different video when it comes to the design aspect of Beacons. But the first thing you want to do is, if you take a look at this selection right here that I'm going over, you'll see where it says store. So what you want to do is you want to add a store. And obviously to add a store, all you need to do is toggle this over to the right. And you'll see an example right here on this preview. The products that you have inside your store already will appear here. So this just makes it visible. And so what you want to do is you want to click on where it says store. And we want to go ahead and add our digital product. And so this will be blank for you. But all you need to do is go ahead and click this black button right here that says add product. And once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and select digital product. And what it's going to do is going to take you to this template screen right here to where you can edit everything. And so this is really simple. You're really just going to go over to this section area right here on the sidebar where it says product tile, prices, or price, description, media, product files. And you're just going to go through each one and you're going to go ahead and edit it. It's really that simple. So that's exactly what I'm going to go ahead and do right now is I'm going to go through this process of putting together a digital product. So we're going to start off with our product title. So we'll click that and we'll put a title here. All right. So we have our product title right here. And then what we're just going to do is you can click beneath it and it'll automatically save. We're going to back out of that and we're going to go ahead and put a price on that as well. So you'll see you have a few different selections. We have set price, pay what you want, mark as on sale, and make the product free. All these are great, but we want to make money. So we're going to sell this. And we're not going to sell this particular product that we have for $5. I'm going to go ahead and put $27. And that is automatically saved. But you do have these other selections right here in case you want to use these as well. And then, so now that we've entered our price, we're going to go ahead and back out of that. And we're going to go over to our description. And we're just going to go ahead and add a description right here in this box. All right, so I've gone ahead and added my description right here. And all I did to generate this was I just used ChatGPT and had it come up with a description for me based off the information I gave it. And so I think it's a pretty good description. So this product right here is going to be how to make money with digital marketing. And it says, unlock the secrets to building a profitable online business with how to make with how to make money with digital marketing. And what I actually want to do is I want to format this stuff just a little bit. And so you go through this, make it look real nice, real clean. But this is my description right here. So once we have our description there, we'll go ahead and back out of that. And we're going to go ahead and go to media. This is where we add an image of our digital product, which will go right here. So I'm going to go ahead and add that image right now. All right. So I've gone ahead and I've uploaded this image right here. And I'm going to X this out because I don't need that template image anymore. And so all I did to create this was I also used ChatGPT as well. They do have a feature where you can create images through them. And all I did was give it a description. And this is the product image that it gave me. And so right here, we have our title, our price, our description, and a product image for this. So let's back out of media and we'll go right here to product files. And so this is where you'll actually add the product yourself. Now, I don't actually have a product for this particular video, but if you have a PDF file, a doc, or even a link to that product itself, you want to go ahead and put it here. So if you have a PDF up on your computer, you'll just upload it onto here. Or if you have a link to where you are saving your your particular PDF or digital product online, whether it's like in a Google Drive or maybe you have it hosted on your website, then you can go ahead and add the link to it right here. This is so that your potential customer has a way to access. You need to be able to deliver your digital product. And so once you've done that, you just back out of there and we'll go ahead and go through some of the other settings. All right, so we're going to go over and scroll down and go to checkout settings. And so this is where your customer is going to give you their information so that they can go ahead and purchase this particular product. So by default, it has the price of the product, the name, the email address that they'll enter, and their payment information as well. You do have the ability to add things like PayPal and stuff. I'm not going to do this in this video, but you do have the ability to do that. If you do want to add a field, you can do that. If you want the customer to supply their phone number, they can do that, or location, a birthday, or any other custom information, you can do that. But this is good right here. This is pretty much good as is. And so once we have that figured out, we'll go ahead and back on out of there and we'll scroll right down here to where it says success screen. This will be the screen that is shown when your customer purchases your digital product. Now this says file missing because I didn't actually upload a digital product, but you will upload a digital product. And just in case you forget to, it'll prompt you to upload that right here. But this is basically the thank you screen that they'll get after they have purchased the product. It just says, thank you for your support. Hope you enjoy this digital product. And I'll say a copy will be sent to the email address that they provided. You can edit this out to whatever it is that you want it to say. Usually I just keep these things the same as is. I might even change the photo to that particular product itself, but this is their success screen. And then what you can do is you can come over here to where it says email receipt as well. And this is just a summary of what they'll receive when they have purchased their product. This is the receipt that will be emailed to them. Okay, so the next thing I want to go over was on this sidebar, we want to go ahead and also I want to touch on email marketing. And so basically setting out maybe like a welcome email, because this is something that a lot of people neglect to do. So on the sidebar, you'll go to marketing and then we'll go over to email automations. And right here, we'll just go ahead and go to this blue button that says new automation. And all we are going to do is we're going to go to, let's see which one are we going to select. So we'll just go with this one right here where it says a welcome funnel. And we'll select that one. And what I want to do is I'm just going to select use this template. And I want to send an email that'll automatically go out when somebody actually purchases the product. And so where it says start condition, we're going to go ahead and select after someone purchases a product. It'll automatically send them email. And then I will go ahead and select the product that I want it to send the email after. So we're going to uncheck this. Because this is the only one I want to send to, which is this one that we just created. All right. And so now that we have that, it is for anyone that has purchased this particular product that we just created. And so we'll hit the blue button that says save. And then right here, you'll see this template where it says start condition after someone purchases this particular digital product, they will immediately receive this email. And so I want to go ahead and edit this email. So I'm going to click on edit email, and then I'm actually going to input what I want the email to say. All right, so this is what I've input into here. We'll go ahead and take that out. I already created a template email for this particular product. And so where it says, it'll say hi, and it'll say the customer's first name. It says, thank you for grabbing how to make money with digital marketing. Your guide is ready to download, and I am excited for you to dive in. So I always like to send a welcome email with the actual link to the product that they purchase. just in case for some reason they didn't already download it or they missed it somewhere. I just want to go ahead and send another option for them to go ahead and download what they just purchased. And so it says download your guide here. And what I would do is I would just paste the link to where they can get that digital product. And I have this guide is packed with actionable steps to help you start making money online. So be sure to go through it and take action. If you have any questions or need help along the way, feel free to reach out. I've got your back. Also, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Once you've gone through the guide, hit reply and let me know your biggest takeaways. Happy learning, Mike. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. And this is a signature that is already inside of here. So I'll just leave this stuff the same. Yeah, it doesn't matter. That's fine with me. And so this is basically the template that I will use. You can go through and kind of customize this to however you want. You can change the fonts, the text here. You can even go through and adjust the whole design of everything. I'm not going to worry about all that. I just want to make sure that you have an idea of how to go about sending your first email. And then you can also send a test to yourself just to make sure it looks the way you want it to. And then you can rename this email as well to whatever it is that you would like. But once you are done, all you need to do is click next. And then right here, you want to enter a subject line. So I'm going to enter one right now. All right. So right here, I've entered a subject line. And you can see it has the from me subject line right here. If you want to enter a preview line, you can do that as well. I'm not going to worry about it for this example. And then this is what your email will look like that is sent out. And so typically I change some of the stuff around. Like I probably wouldn't have my image up here. But you can edit this to kind of look however it is that you want. But once you are satisfied with how it looks, all you have to do is hit save and you're done. And then you can repeat the process. If you want to add more emails, you can do that. And if not, then this will just end that sequence. And once you're fully ready, as it says it's in draft, all you have to do is hit this blue button and it'll say activate automation and this will be live.